Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best boys' royal blue polo shirt on the market, the Children's Place Boys Uniform Short-Sleeve Pique Polo. This shirt has quickly become a favorite for its blend of style, comfort, and affordability. The polo features a classic design that fits seamlessly into any young boy's wardrobe, whether for school uniforms or casual wear. Its short-sleeve design with a polo collar keeps things simple yet polished. The fabric is 100% cotton pique, known for its breathable texture and durability, making it ideal for active kids who need clothing that can keep up with their day-to-day activities. One of the key strengths of this polo is its quality construction. The shirt is made to hold its shape after multiple washes, resisting shrinking or fading, which is often a concern with kids' clothing. The pique knit fabric gives it a subtle texture, adding to the overall appeal and helping the shirt maintain a crisp look even after wear. The royal blue color is vibrant and consistent, which is perfect for matching school uniforms or simply adding a bright pop to casual outfits. It's a versatile shade that works well with many other colors, making outfit planning easier for parents and kids alike. Comfort is also a standout feature. The soft cotton fabric is gentle on the skin, breathable enough to prevent overheating, and has enough stretch to allow freedom of movement. This makes it suitable not only for classroom settings but also for outdoor play or family outings. The polo closes with a simple pull-on style, eliminating the hassle of buttons or zippers for younger children. This practical feature ensures kids can dress independently and quickly, which is a big plus for busy mornings. From a sizing perspective, the polo is designed to fit true to size, offering a good balance between a tailored look and comfortable ease. The lightweight but durable fabric also contributes to the shirt's longevity, meaning it can withstand the rigors of school days, sports activities, and frequent washing. In terms of care, the shirt is machine washable, and its fabric quality allows it to bounce back without excessive wrinkling, although a quick iron can keep it looking sharp when needed. Overall, the Children's Place Boys Uniform Short-Sleeve Pique Polo stands out as a reliable, stylish, and budget-friendly option. Its combination of vibrant royal blue color, breathable cotton fabric, and thoughtful design makes it a top contender for anyone seeking a durable and comfortable boys' polo shirt. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a dependable polo shirt for boys that combines quality and value, this one deserves your consideration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.